How to resize an image in Gimp. So let's just import a random image, and here we go. This is the image. Now if I select this image, go to layer and then scale layer, I can see the width and the height of this image. Now if you want to set this image width, for example, at exactly 500 pixels, you can just type in 500 pixels here. And if you press scale, it's automatically going to take a look at the proportions and make sure that they're the same proportions as the original picture. So you see, if I press scale, the height went up to 500 as well now automatically. If you hold shift while stretching an image, you can stretch the width and the height to whatever proportions you want. And if you want to just stretch it with the proportions, simply just grab these corners and you're good to go. And there you go. That's how to resize an image in Gimp. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.